Hello everyone. So this is our data handling chapter of class 7th and today we are going to discuss exercise 3.2. So far we have already discussed about mean, median and mode. In my last video I explained you what do we mean by median, how can we calculate that. We also talked about mode. In median I told you about the odd numbers if the number of observations are odd, right? Right now, in your class, you are just going to see in your textbook odd numbers. So we are not going into the even numbers concept. Once we will start solving that, I'll explain you even numbers to find out median when the number of observations are even. All right. So let's start our exercise 3.2. See, in question first, they have given that the scores in the mathematics test out of 25. All right. So, see, all these small things, but they are very important. What do we mean by why do they give this information out of 25? Means the number here would not exceed 25. All right. Because the marks out of test are the marks which they have given here, they are out of 25. So whatever number they have given here, it would not exceed 25. All right. So these marks are as follows. So these are the numbers they have given. They have asked to find out the mode and median of this data, and also asked to make sure that they are same or not. All right. So very first thing we will do is we will arrange this data in an ascending order, right? Because this data which is given, it's not organized. So the first thing we will do is organizing the data, and that is by putting them into ascending order. So this is your ascending order. Now, first they have asked you find out mode. So mode means we know. Mode is nothing but the most frequently occurring number, and we can easily see here that this most frequently occurring number is 20. So it's very apparent that 20 becomes your mode. So mode is your 20. All right. Now, median. See, for median, again, median is the middle value and the number of observations here are 15. So they are odd, right? So we'll start solving accordingly. All right. So median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. All right. So we'll just put it here like this, divided by, and then 2. Just a minute. I'll just do it here, divided by 2. All right. Okay. Now we know that number of observation here is 15 plus 1 divided by 2. So it gives us 16 divided by 2. So, 8th observation. Alright? This is how it is. 8th observation becomes our median. Now let's see which is our 8th observation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this 8th is 20. So 20 becomes our median. And how? This is how. Okay, you need to show the method. Okay, so this is how median is 20. All right, so this is how we can solve it. Now, excuse me. Now they've asked that, are they same? Yes. See, mode is also 20 and median is also 20. So yes, they are same. All right. Okay. Now let's start solving our next question. Question 2. So here they have given that the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. So these are the runs. Okay. Find mean, mode and median. Again, they've asked that are the three same or not. So the very first thing, as we always do, is arranging the data in an ascending order. Then we will find out mean. We know what is mean. Sum of the observation divided by number of observation. All right. So we'll just solve that. So when we put this sum of observation divided by number of observation, which is 11, our answer is 429 divided by 11, and that is 39. All right. Now, so this is your mean. All right. This is your mean. Now, mode is the observation occurred in the highest number of times. We can easily see here, see from this data itself, it's 15. So we can say that 15 is our mode. All right. Let me just erase this. So this is how we can simply say that mode is 15. Now let's find out median. Again, in this also, we need to show the calculation. Here the median, when you want to find out median, you first need to find out the number of observations. From here only, we can say that number of observation is 11. Okay. So when the number of observation means 11, when the number of observation is 11, it's very easy to say that it's odd number. So when the number is odd, we can say that n plus 1 upon 2. All right. So I'll just mention it here in this text box. That median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2, right? Let me just expand this. All right. So because number of observation is 11, we'll just write 11 plus 1 divided by 2. So 12 divided by 2, and that gives us 6. All right. You need to show this calculation. So this is sixth observation, right? So sixth observation would become your median. And which is the sixth observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 15. So median is your 15. All right. We can easily see here this mode is 15, median is 15, but mean is 39. So naturally we can say that mean, median and mode are not same. All right. So this is how you can say that mean, median and mode are not same. Question 3, it's again easy. They have given you some data that is in kg of 15 students. When you say that 15 students means number of observations 15, all right, you don't have to count again. They have already given here that this data are of 15 students. So find the mode and median of this data. Is there more than one mode? All right. So now I'm not showing you the method because you know, right? But you need to show the method. So the very first thing we will do is arrange them in an ascending order. Okay. We will arrange them. So this is what is arranging ascending order. Then mode is naturally highest number of times. So 38 and 43. Okay, I already told you that mode can be more than one number. So here you can see that, see, just a minute. Here we can see that 38 is occurring 3 times, all right? And 43 is also occurring 3 times. So naturally, we can say that there are two mode, that is 38 and 43. Median, by showing the method, we can find that median is 40, all right? So median becomes your, because it is 15 students, naturally you need to show the method, right? So median, because it's 15 students, 15 plus 1, let me show you here itself, okay? Just a minute, all right? So median becomes your 15 plus 1. You need to write down the whole formula. So median becomes your 16 upon 2, that is 16 upon 2. And this is how median is your eighth observation. Eighth observation. All right. So eighth observation is median is 40. Your eighth observation is 40 when you count it. All right. So let's see eighth observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eighth observation is 40. All right. So this is how you can say. Now they have asked if there are more than one mode. Yes, there are two modes. Okay. Question 4 and 5. See again, find the mode median of the data. So this is easy. You need to show this on your own. You need to do this on your own. So I'm not going into that detail because it's easy. Question 5th. Tell whether the statement is true or not. See, the mode is always one of the numbers. Of course, true. Right? Because see, the mode is always one of the numbers in data because mode is highest, most frequently occurring value in the given data. So naturally, it has to be in the given data. So this is true, right? So this is true. The mean is one of the numbers, not necessary. So this is false. Because as we have already seen, the mean can be any other value other than the given data. So it's not necessarily has to be from this given data. The median is always one of the numbers in data. Of course, yes, it's true because median means the middle value of the given data. So it has to be from the given data, right? The data, this has mean 9. So for that, you need to find out the mean of this, which we can do, right? Like you can find on your own. So just find out and see whether the answer is matching or not. It's not matching, but you need to find out the correct answer and then you can write it's false. All right. So this is how we are done with our 3.2 exercise. Now, in next video, we will start solving our next topic, that is graph. All right. So till then, start solving the sums, start practicing maths. Goodbye.